Apples. It's apple season. We like apples. What could be even better with this is apple crumble. Let's go! Look at this deliciousness. Crispy apple crumble. We see the bubbling from the sugar in the apple on the sides. It was delicious. First thing you'll need to do is wash your apple. Then what I did is I prepped my lemon juice because you'll need some lemon juice on the apples to prevent browning. You need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then you want to cut the apples into slices, or you can dice them, but I like slices. I feel like it's more consistent. You want to remove the core, remove the skin, you need to peel them, and put them to have equivalent to 1/2 inch of apple at the bottom of an oven container, like this one. If it's bigger, you may need more apple. If it's smaller, you may need less apple. But for this container, I needed 3 giant apples. Those apples were huge. They were delicious as well. Then you want to add the tablespoon of lemon juice. You want to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar while making a mess. About a teaspoon of cinnamon or more depending of taste. You want to mix everything well and put it aside while you do the crumble. For the crumble, I fucked up and I forgot to double half of the measuring for the oats. So I will fix it later. But for now, I will give the right measurement, but it will not be correct in the video because I fix it later. But basically, you need 2.5 cup of quick oats, but here I've put 1.5, so that it didn't work. But put 2.5 cup of quick oats, then 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2/3 cup of melted butter, and please don't kill your butter like this. Like, scoop it out with a normal spoon, not with the cup and whatever. I don't know what I did, but anyway. 2/3 cup of melted butter, mix it and combine everything before putting on the apple. But as you remember, I said I forgot to put a cup of quick oats, and here I was like, oh, I don't have enough crumble. So I was about to make another full batches and realized, fuck, I fucked up the measurement. So basically that's all you need to do. You need 2.5 cup of quick oats, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2/3 cup of melted butter. You mix everything well until it's all combined. Put it on top of the apple, and you put that in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit. And you cook for approximately 50 minutes in the oven, or until it looks crispy and that you see the bubble coming out of the sides where the apples are. Serve that with whipped cream or ice cream or anything your heart desire. You could even drizzle some caramel on it if you need more sugar, but it's already really sweet. So that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a really short video, but it's really great. This is an amazing recipe and I love this so much. I do it every fall, and yeah, I love that recipe. I hope you guys will try it. It's really simple, it's really quick. It's a lot of oven time, but while it's cooking, you don't have to do anything, so it's not that much cooking. And yeah, if you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. Also, share with your friends, share with your family, share with everyone you know. It really helps, and helps bringing me view and also bring me ideas. If you would like to commission as well a recipe, you can go in the link down below and look for my coffee link, and you will be able to send me a commission and pay me $1 to make me do a recipe, and I will have to do researches and everything to do the recipe, so there's no time delay. I'll see you guys next week for another video, and it's gonna be an apple donut cake. It's delicious. See you next week. Bye bye.